It'll be lighter than the bear. This one does not work as well as the other boat does. It's going quite fast actually. Come back. There's the boat sunk. Drift around all nicely. Got a bunny. A ferret. Bear. They won't stand up. Anything good, I have to like borderline dunk my phone into the water. Just want to be able to like capture the cool light. That's a cool bird sound. Cool. We've been scrounging around for cool rocks. In here. There's a few shells in there as well. I think they look like rocks always look cooler wet than like dry. Whatever it was a cool bird of prey though. According to all known laws of aviation, there was a ladybug just then.
Bees cannot fly.
The birds sound really, really cool. I hope my camera can pick that up. Sounds like an in the night garden thing. Cute. I'm gonna put you in here now. I've just set the boat. Oh no. Cute. Whoa, she's going fast. She's not going straight, and that's off-putting me. It actually looks like really pretty on camera today. Whoop, whoop. We're going to college, and this is what I'm doing with my free time right now. I feel they're kind of going a bit fast.